Welcome to another 1-minute episode of Microsoft TimeSavers, where you can learn time-saving tips and tricks that you can use across Microsoft 365. This week, I'm going to show you how to make announcements stand out in Teams channels. In large teams, important updates are easy to miss, especially among all the general comments, questions, and articles. Let me show you how to cut through the noise. First, tag the channel so everyone gets an alert. Then, type in the main update, for example, our annual fundraiser. From the Format menu, click the exclamation icon to flag the message as important, so it stands out. For even more visibility, toggle the message type to an announcement. Here, you can add a headline for the annual fundraiser and customize the background to help it stand out. You can even choose a picture from your PC. Then, click Done. Now you can finalize the rest of the announcement. You can also post this in multiple channels by choosing what team and channel to include it in, saving time manually posting in each channel. When you hit send, you'll see the announcement clearly stands out and people will start noticing it.